If I would have 60 seconds to reach the whole world, all I would say is a lot can happen in 1 year. If you start now, your life can look completely different next year. What if you take the first step now? If you keep showing up for yourself, if you keep putting up in the work, and if you keep believing in yourself, then you can do it. What if you start working on your dreams every single day from now on? Did you know that it doesn't need to take a really long time to change your whole life? So much can just change in 1 year or 42 weeks, or let's say 8,760 hours. There are going to be uncomfortable moments and a lot of ups and downs. But don't you want to see how much you are capable of, and that the potential to succeed is already within you? And what if the day we talk about changing everything is today?